Hi, my name is Faris and welcome to my channel. In the next 5 minutes, you will be exploring Tioman Island with me. Tioman Island is located in Pahang and it is one of the best places in Malaysia for island exploration and diving. From KL it's about 5 hours driving to Mersing Jetty. Once you are there, you can take a ferry to the island. Parking at the jetty is around 50 ringgit per day. You can also depart from Tanjung Gemuk Jetty as an alternative. Tioman is actually the third largest island in Peninsular Malaysia after Langkawi and Penang. There are 7 villages surrounding the island. The ferry ride from Mersing takes around 2.5 hours and we arrive at Tekek Jetty. From Tekek, we took a 4x4 ride for about 30 minutes to Kampung Juara, a beautiful spot with soft white sand beaches. During monsoon season, this place is also known for surfing. We stayed at the Barat Tioman, which is located at the far end of the beach. They even let us borrow bicycles and sports equipment for free. The next day, we headed back to Tekek to go diving at Tioman Cabana village. They provide rooms if you want to stay there too. After diving, we chill by the beach and enjoy the sunset. At night, we had dinner at a local restaurant and tried their signature Western dishes. Surprisingly, really good. The next morning, we woke up to a beautiful sunrise. Our activity for the day was exploring the area around Kampung Tekek. Tekek is like a small town. It has a school, an ATM and even a post office. We also stopped by Tioman Marine Park, where you can snorkel, relax and grab some food. The place is fully equipped with facilities like toilets and a surau. There's also a marine park center where you can learn more about the marine life on the island. If you need a life jacket or snorkel mask, you can rent them here. And the best part is there's no time limit. Next day, we traveled to another village called Kampung Mukut. It is less developed and really keep its natural charms. The coral here are amazing. You can see them clearly even from the surface. Our next stop was Kampung Asah. The main mission here was to visit the famous Asah Waterfall. From the jetty, it's about 30-minute walk. Fun fact, Tioman actually has 6 waterfalls and they are the main source of drinking water for the island. So here it is, the beautiful of Asa Waterfall. Of course, we took our time to swim and enjoy the nature around us. That's it for this Tioman exploration. Thank you for joining the journey, and until next time.